All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't hear them anymore. We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions, that we will screw up royally sometimes, understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. I am convinced that about half of what separates successful people from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance. Whether you think you can or you can't, you are right. If you push through the feeling of being scared, that feeling of taking a risk, really amazing things can happen. Dream big, start small, but most of all, start. Stay afraid, but do it anyway. What's important is the action. You don't have to wait to be confident. Just do it, and eventually the confidence will follow. Don't you dare underestimate the power of your own instinct. I did not get there by wishing for it or hoping for it, but by working for it. If you have never tried, how will you ever know if there is any chance? Tough times never last, but tough people do. Don't worry about being successful, but work toward being significant, and success will naturally follow. Remember why you started. You never lose in life. Either you win or you learn. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Be the change you wish to see in the world. A ship in a harbor is safe, but that is not what ships are built for. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today.